Good day and welcome to How To. Install Razer Cortex. I think that wouldn't be difficult. And for the people that want to help the Diphonus How To team, join the Discord and you can get this category. So you can add your own IDs to the team and it will be awesome. Just import your IDs here and we'll go to the recording phase. This can only happen when you're a member, and if you're not, just contact the people. First, open a web page and open Google. Then you want to search for Razer Cortex. After this, open the link provided by Razer itself and click on download now. It will probably go into your downloads folder right over here, but mine is in my download manager, so I'm going to open it here. If you can't find your downloads, just open Windows Explorer and go to downloads. You will probably find your installation file there. Open it and click yes. Give permissions. Those are really needed. After this, you get loads of options and you probably just want to choose Razer Cortex. If it doesn't include you, you can always choose for the other applications, but I'm just going to install Razer Cortex. Click on install. It will probably bring up an advert and you can click on skip and continue. And the biggest reason why you want to download Razer Cortex is because it's a game launcher. You can launch multiple games from multiple platforms. You can boost if you upgrade to their Prime Enhanced games. You can get the Game Booster, which cleans up your games. System Booster cleans up your system files. And you get some great deals for games because you get rewards. Points you can collect, and it's awesome. So, launch Cortex, get started. It will probably pop up a login menu. I'm just going to click on continue as guest. You have successfully installed Razer Cortex, but let me show you around. This is the library full of your games. You can always add games here. There you go. Add a game, connect to platform. They got multiple platforms in support. That's awesome. I'm just going back to my library because that's where people are going to land. These are all my games. There's a lot. You can always go to the Game Booster to boost up your games. It cleans up the files and makes sure that everything is fixed and ready to go. You can also clean up your system with their system cleaner and speed up your computer by optimizing applications like backward applications. They close them. Defrag your games. It could improve your game performance, but I don't recommend doing it a lot. You can see your rig. There are a lot of things here you can see, like rewards and deals. Those are just great. You can play featured games to earn Razer Silver. You need to log in though, but after you've collected a lot of points, you can buy things with them. You can go to deals, games, and here you can find games. These have great deals. Hope you liked this video, like and subscribe or comment down below. See you in the next one.